Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to do Sidra P2P verification. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So first now you need to activate your secure app. So go to your app and open it up. Now you just need to tap on login with KYC ports, and after login and complete your KYC verification. So now once you are logged, you will be on the KYC website. So this is how it will look like. Here you have to do some steps. So the first thing you want to do is is for people that just joined. As a new member, please click on the add new to upload your requested document. Once you upload the requested document, as you can see, document type, personal ID, document status confirmed. Now the document has been uploaded and has been confirmed. So now the second thing you want to do is the button is about, you will tell you that under review. Your document is currently under review. Wait for it to be completed. Now what it stands for is it needs to complete the process. Click on your documents with the not completed status and upload the necessary information by correctly cropping the required value. So now this third option is trying to tell you that if a document was not accepted, you can actually re-upload the document, so it will be confirmed. Make sure that your document is showing document status. Confirm if this was rejected. So now number 4 needs selfie image. You need to click on your documents with the not confirmed status and upload selfie images related to this document by clicking on the corresponding icon. So now if your document still not has been accepted, you cannot upload selfie images relating to the document as stated over here, which will help get you confirmed as fast as possible. Next, number 5 needs face tracking. Initiate the video tracking process by clicking on the display icon in this page. This step requires capturing a video as part of a verification process. So that's all you need to do. After you have done the video, now you will be brought to the number 6. Number 6 now is P2P verification. To proceed, you need at least 2 users to confirm your identity. Users can do this by taking a real-time video for you through the P2P verification account. So now you need a user who has been verified already. Once you have made the user video, we need to make a video that has been verified. That's what you need for P2P verification. Then now this number 7 will tell that your KYC is currently under the review by our KYC team. Please wait for your processing to be completed. That's what this number 7 states. Once your KYC is completed, it will greet you by saying, congratulations, your KYC successfully been completed and your account is now verified. This is what this number 8 states. This is what everything you need to know about this KYC verification. So that's basically how you can do Sidra P2P verification. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.